6 Best Invoicing and Estimate Software for Cleaning Companies. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. If you run a cleaning company, residential or commercial, you already know how important it is to send professional quotes and invoices quickly. Whether you're a solo cleaner or managing a growing team, the right software can help you win more jobs, look professional, and get paid on time. Hence why I've created this tutorial of the 6 best invoicing and estimate software tools for cleaning businesses. We'll kick things off at number 6. At number 6 we have Joist, and I would consider it best for solo cleaners and small teams. Joist is super easy to use and lets you send estimates and invoices from your phone with built-in client approvals and payments. Some standout features of this platform include customizable quotes and invoices, e-signature support, and mobile-friendly interface, and you'll also be able to accept credit card and bank payments. And if we were to talk about pros and cons of this platform, it is simple and has a clean interface, great mobile experience, and free plan available. The only pullback I would say is it lacks deep job scheduling tools and it is best suited for small operations. Now if we were to look at the pricing of Joist, you can see right here that their monthly plan begins at $8 and it can go up to $32. And taking the number 5 spot is Invoice Ninja, and I would consider it best for budget-conscious cleaners needing flexibility. Invoice Ninja is a powerful free invoicing and quoting tool that supports client portals, recurring invoices, and online payments. Some standout features of Invoice Ninja are unlimited invoices and quotes, time tracking and task management, client portal, client payment portal better yet, an open source or cloud version. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons of Invoice Ninja, it offers a robust free plan, highly customizable, and great for long-term recurring clients. The only pullback I would say is the interface can feel complex at first and it lacks cleaning specific features. But if we were to check out the pricing of Invoice Ninja, you can see right here the free forever plan. Then you could go onto their monthly plan for $12 and it can go up to $16 as you can see right there. And at number 4 we have Square Invoices, and I would consider it best for cleaners already using Square for payments. Square Invoices offers simple professional quoting and invoicing with seamless integration to Square's POS and payment system. Some standout features of this platform are create quotes and convert to invoices, track client payments, accept card and ACH transfers, automatic reminders. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, starting with the pros, first, it is easy to use, no subscription for basic invoicing as you can use it for free, great payment flexibility. The only pullback I would say is it is not built specifically for field service and it lacks team scheduling. But if we were to check out their pricing, you can see that you can get started for completely free and they'll charge you a fee of 3.3% for transactions plus 30 cents as you can see right there. If you want, you can also choose to go onto their paid plan. And at number 3 we have Housecall Pro, and I would say this is a great option for growing cleaning businesses that need everything in one. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one field service platform that includes quoting, invoicing, payments, scheduling, dispatching, and more. Some standout features of Housecall Pro are send estimates and convert to jobs or invoices, mobile payments and automated reminders, customer history tracking, and in-app messaging. And if we were to talk about pros and cons of Housecall Pro, it is great for managing larger teams, very professional look and feel, automates repetitive tasks, And the only pullback I would say is it is pricier than basic invoicing tools, and best value comes with higher plans. And talking about pricier, if we were to check out their pricing plan, you can see right here that you can get started on their monthly plan for $79, and it can go up to $329. And taking the number 2 spot is Jobber. And I would consider Jobber a great option for professional quoting and invoicing with client communication. Jobber is tailored for service-based businesses, making it a great fit for cleaning companies that want quick quotes, fast invoices, and happy clients. Some standout features of Jobber include custom quote templates, instant invoice generation, automated follow-ups and reminders, an online client portal and payments. And if we were to talk about pros and cons, it looks super professional, great customer support, and mobile app for on-the-go use. The only pullback I would say is some features are locked behind the higher pricing plans, and there is no free plan. While there is a free trial, it is limited and there is no free plan. And if we were to check out their pricing, you can see right here that their monthly plan begins at $39 and it can go up to $199. And taking the top spot on our list is none other than ZenMaid. And I would consider ZenMaid best overall for cleaning business invoicing and estimates. With ZenMaid, it is built exclusively for cleaning companies, which means every feature from recurring estimates to invoice automation and cleaner tracking is made with you in mind. Some standout features of ZenMaid include instant quotes and invoice generation, recurring job templates, customer reminders and review requests. It integrates with payment processors and Google Calendar. And if we were to talk about pros and cons of ZenMaid, it is built for cleaning workflows, saves hours on admin, and perfect for recurring commercial and residential jobs. The only pullback is I can say the interface is still improving in some areas, and there is no free plan. And if we were to check out their pricing option, as you can see right here, it starts off at $19 per month, and it can go up to $49 per month, depending on the amount of features you want and the size of your team. And that wraps up our countdown of the 6 best invoicing and estimating tools for cleaning companies. If you want something free and simple to use, I would recommend that you go with Invoice Ninja, or you could also use Joist. If you're already using Square, then I will definitely recommend that you use Squarespace Invoice. If you need an all-in-one business solution, then I would either recommend that you go with Housecall Pro or Jobber. And if you want something built just for cleaning, then ZenMaid is definitely the option to go with. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.